Welcome everyone. Today we are going to look at the topic, legal requirements. Every business in Australia must follow certain rules and laws. These rules are not just paperwork. They make sure that businesses act fairly, protect people, and operate safely. In this lesson, you will learn why these laws are important, the key federal acts you need to know, and how other legal requirements such as taxation and customs affect businesses. Why business law matters. Let's begin with why business law matters. Just like a game needs rules so that everyone plays fairly, businesses also need rules to operate safely and successfully. Business laws help protect both companies and people. They make sure there is fair competition and that everyone understands their rights and responsibilities. Knowing the law is not only about avoiding penalties or staying out of trouble, it is also about building a strong and reliable business that people can trust. Acts of Parliament, federal level. There are several federal laws, also known as Acts of Parliament, that every business should be aware of. The Bankruptcy Act helps both individuals and businesses when they cannot pay their debts. The ASIC Act, run by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, protects consumers and investors in the financial industry. The Corporations Act sets the rules for how companies are created, managed, and operated. And the Goods and Services Act covers the sale of goods and services, making sure that buyers and sellers are both protected. Laws that keep pace. These federal laws were not all made yesterday. They were created at specific times to fix problems or improve the business environment. Just like you update your phone to keep it useful, laws also need updates to stay relevant. Over the years, many of these acts have been revised and improved so they remain fair and effective for today's world. The best way for businesses to approach legal issues is to use common sense, follow the latest version of the law, and act responsibly. Related federal legislation. Besides the main acts, there are also other federal laws that affect different areas of business. Exporting and importing laws set the rules for goods moving in and out of the country. Customs laws explain what you can bring across the border and what taxes must be paid. Industrial relations laws focus on the relationship between employers and employees, ensuring fair treatment at work. And security laws exist to protect businesses and the nation's interests. All of these areas play an important role in how businesses operate every day. Taxation. When we talk about legal requirements, one of the most well-known is taxation. Every business, no matter how big or small, must pay taxes. This is not a choice, it is a legal requirement. Taxes are used to fund public services such as roads, schools, and hospitals. Businesses may pay different types of taxes such as income tax, goods and services tax, GST, or payroll tax. Understanding your tax obligations is critical because it keeps your business compliant and ensures that you contribute fairly to society. That brings us to the end of our lesson on legal requirements. We have explored why business law matters, looked at key federal acts, considered how laws are updated, reviewed other related legislation, and finished with taxation. Thank you for joining this session, and I hope you now have a clearer understanding of the legal responsibilities that businesses must follow in Australia.